Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event is just around the corner, and we're getting a sneak peek at the new flagship tablet, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. While the design remains similar to the Tab S9 Ultra, some incremental improvements would be welcomed. Key design features: thin and unibody aluminum chassis, OLED displays across all models, high-end look and feel. The Galaxy Tab S10 series will come in two variants, Plus and Ultra, with display sizes of 12.4 inches and 14.9 inches. The biggest reveal comes from Geekbench. Samsung is embracing MediaTek processors for the entire Tab S10 lineup. Key features: MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor for the Tab S10 Ultra. Outperforms Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on benchmarks. Cost-effective alternative to Qualcomm chips. With up to 16 GB of RAM, multitasking will be seamless. But how does it compare to the competition? Performance comparison: MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus versus Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Benchmarks and real-world performance. Universal 5G connectivity across all models. No more choosing between models for better connectivity on the go. Next, a seamless keyboard experience. Samsung could learn from OnePlus Pad and Lenovo Tab Extreme's iPad-like keyboards. Lastly, enhanced speaker quality. Taking a cue from Google's Pixel tablet, Samsung could elevate the Tab S10's audio capabilities. Potential features: improved speaker quality, speaker accessory or dock, integration with Bixby Digital Assistant. Following tradition, the Galaxy Tab S10 series is set to launch in August, mirroring the release pattern of previous models like the Tab S6, S7, and S9. Now let's talk pricing. The Tab S9 series saw a $100 price hike across all models. Will the Tab S10 series follow suit? Key pricing details: starting price of Tab S9 series, $1,200. Potential price hike for Tab S10 series. Stay tuned for more updates on the Galaxy Tab S10 series.